Friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Arelees and I love baking treats and cooking up eats. Today, I'll be making for you some ranch potatoes. Friends, let's get started. Friends, you would need some red potatoes. I have 7 here, but depends on how many people you're going to feed. But I'm using 7 right now, and they're good sized potatoes. I have here some Black Diamond Mexican cheese, 1 cup of ranch dressing, 1 cup of sour cream, a teaspoon of salt, a half a package of bacon which I already cooked. Friends, so we're going to be cutting the potatoes. I'm cutting them into 4 pieces or quarters. And meantime you're cutting your potatoes, make sure you have your pot on the stove ready for boiling. Friends, now that the water in the pot is boiling, I'm going to be adding my potatoes, and we're going to be cooking the potatoes for at least half an hour. In a separate container, you will add your cup of sour cream. One cup of ranch dressing, a half a cup of cheese, your chopped bacon pieces, give it a good stir. You're going to be adding a bit of salt, but not too much because the bacon is already salty. Now mix thoroughly. Friends, we're adding the cooked potato now to our sauce. And friends, with these red potatoes, you don't have to cook them that long. 15 minutes tops. Now you're going to be tossing the potato to be coated evenly. In a baking dish, lightly grease the bottom so the potato don't stick. Pour your potato in your dish and spread evenly. Making sure I get every last drop. Now you're going to be adding your cup of cheese on top. You can add more than a cup, but that's to your discretion. Set your oven at 350 and bake for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes in the oven, we're going to take him out. Rest for 2 minutes. Sprinkle with some dried or fresh parsley and serve that bad boy up. Friends, that is the end result of the ranch potatoes. If you made it this far in the video, I greatly appreciate you all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sending in your comments. Thank you for liking the videos. Friends, please subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss a video. God bless you all. Loads of love, and I'll see you in the next one.